What is Snapchat streak or Snap streak and how to get and keep a streak going? Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me, Vipin Visnath, and today I'll explain what Snap streak means on Snapchat and how you can get it going. Now, when you and your friends snap back and forth while each other at least once a day, every day, you are on Snap streak. Once you have kept it up for a few days, you will see a little fire emoji on the chat screen. So if I open up Snapchat and if I head over to chat here, you can see I've changed my Snap streak emoji, but you can see there it's the 3272 and with all the numbers, and you can see a little timeline icon there that if you see that, it means that your streak is about to end. So in order to avoid it, if you haven't sent a snap within 24 hours to a friend, you'll have to send it. So I'll show you real quick. I'll just take a quick snap and then I'll just send it to everybody here in my list, and this way you can see that particular icon will disappear and my streak will be maintained there. So you'll have to send at least a snap per day. Remember, not in chat, you'll have to send a particular snap. So if your friend doesn't send it back to you, then you won't be able to maintain your streak. So you'll both have to send it back and forth at least one snap every day to maintain your streak and to keep it going and to not end it. So hope this helped you to like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.